Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your line is active and gathering the router, power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. Once done, plug the router into power and wait 60 to 90 seconds so LEDs fully initialize. This ensures the bootloader and modem sync. Next, connect the modem to the router WAN port with the Ethernet cable. Make sure it clicks in firmly. You do this because a wired connection avoids wireless interference and lets the router receive the ISP's DHCP. You now access the router's administration page. Connect your laptop by Ethernet or use the printed SSID and password on the device. Then open a browser and go to 192, 168, 1. Log in with the default credentials and change them immediately to protect access. In the quick setup, name your Wi-Fi SSID and choose WPA2 or WPA3 for security. Set a strong passphrase. Also set a secure admin password and save settings. This prevents unauthorized. You finish by checking for firmware updates through the admin panel and applying them, then reboot the router so changes take effect. Once the internet LED is steady, connect your devices to the new SSID and run a speed test to verify performance. If things go wrong, power cycle both modem and router, wait 2 minutes, and check LED patterns. If still offline, perform a factory reset only after backing up settings. Because reset clears custom passwords, use it as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.